text ar fáilte wrote chuig de ceacht Gaeilge inniu an Déardaoin agus tá sé an taobhnú lá déag de bhí mearta, the 11th. I left the story here from yesterday. I kept it because today what I want you to do is to write a little paragraph, a little schlucht about what you did last Patrick's Day. Now, I know people probably stayed at home and didn't do anything, but you can make it up that you went out or you saw some things, or and I'm just going to show you how you might kind of go about that. And I left the story up here because I thought, oh, there might be bits I could keep to use in my own story, but I will have to change it to the past. Okay, so it should be, it's mainly in the past though. I'm going to keep this Lá Éile Páirc a bhí ann. I'm going to keep that sentence. It was St. Patrick's Day. Then I might say something like, what would I have done? I might have put on something green. So her may mo Gyanzi Maguna. I'll say a word dress. Maguna gloss. I put my green dress on. I might do something similar to Aina, and that I'm going to say I put on shamrock. Her may shamrock mo runa. I put shamrock on my dress. I just keep changing that to a capital. Anyway, so Lá Éile Páirc a bhí ann. It was St. Patrick's Day. Her may mo runa gloss arum. Just wondering whether Guna, just gone away the one. Wait 1 second, I want to check Guna and whether it's masculine. So something else that you might do if it wasn't lockdown, some people, is go to mass on I can't find it. I'm just going to say Google Plus. Is go to mass. So then I might say chuig may Gaeilge Dé on shape chuig may Gaeilge Dé on shape ale. We're just going to check the spelling of shape for you in case any of you are using it. I feel like this is looking up nothing today. Sorry, my dictionary is shape ale. Okay, is just masculine. So Gaeilge Dé on shape ale. Could make a D on shape ale. Could make a D on shape ale. What else could you do? Chonig may I saw may mocharja. I saw my friend's egg on Afrin at the mass. Chan Amar Aaron. We sang songs. Chan Amar songs. Chan Amar Aaron. Tareish on Afrin. Chuig may Awalia. I went home. Agus de may mo rick pasta. I ate my breakfast. That's not how you spell it. Mo rick pasta. Tareish Tamil. Or Tareish after a while. Or Tareish Tamaline after a little while. Chuig may fein me. Fein. Agus mo chlan or mo hailach, my family, Gaeilge Dé on. Now I have to look up the word parade. I think it's farad, like, yeah, it's parade. Gaeilge Dé, and it's on farad. Let me just see. Yeah, Gaeilge Dé on farad. So PA or like that. Farad, I'm going to say I went to trim. Baile, áha, trom. Okay, if you want to say Navan, you could say Cuig mega D on Farad san uav. Or if you want to say Nathboy, Malia, áha, bui. What other ones are around? Oh, that's my go-to. I don't know. I think that's about it. Okay, so that's what I'm saying there. Taréis Tomlin chuig mé féinagus má clángadí an farrád I Maile ha trim. Van mé an tatnaf. Os. I had lots of fun at it. Or the am all in. We had a lovely time. All in agwen. Egg on barad at the parade. You could say we had a lovely time like that. All in. Or you could say be on farad. Gohintach. It was wonderful. Loads of different ways to say it. It was great. Or what did you see? Maybe Chonik may lurry. Definitely lurries. Lurry. Fairgrin, or fairgrin, I'm going to say. Fairgrin. That's clown. I don't know if you do. Fairgrin. August. Dini. Egg. Dausa. Or egg rinka. Maybe like Irish dancing. Egg rinka. So I'm just going to put something in here as well. Lá éile porca bhíann bhí on I'm sure go hall, and I'm going to say that I'm sure was really nice, even though I don't know if I ever remember a sunny Patrick's Day in my life. But anyway, bhí on I'm sure go halling, bhí on green egg spalpa. I think we had that in one of the other chapters. Spalpa, I knew it was shining down. Chur mé moguna glas arm. Chur mé shamrog maguna. I might also say chur mé ribbeen glas. Maybe ribbini. I'm going to put more than just one. Ribbini glasa e mo chud ruig in my hair. Put green green ribbons in my hair. Chuig megadi on I feel like it's on chepo. I'll check, but anyway. Chuig megadi on chepo. Chonik me mocharja egg on afran. Chanamor aron. I'm going to say egg on afran at mass. Taréis and afran. Or I'm going to say because I've said afran so much. Taréis. Anshin. Then. Anshin. Chuig me awalia agus de me mavrik fosta. You could name what you had there if you wanted to either. I just want to look up Shea Pale. Because I feel like it's on Shea Pale. And then what did I do then? Taréis Tomaline after a little time. You can also say Taréis Tomel. Chuig me féin agus maclán go dtí an farrád I Maile ha trom. I'm saying we went to the parade in Trim. You can say, as I said, you can say Chuig me go dtí an farrád san uav. You don't say san uav, you just say san uav. Then you could say Chuig me go dtí an farrád I Maile ha bui. Sorry, just checking on. No, I'm going to leave shape up. Or so you can say you went to Trim, Navan or Athboy. Then Van me an Tatnavas. I really enjoyed it. Another way you could say that is Vi am all in Agwin. We had a lovely time egg on barad at the parade. Or another way you could say it is Vi on farad gohintach. And then something you might have seen Chonik me lurry far grin agus Dini. I might say Dini, more than one person. Dini egg rinka egg on barad. Is even or is it's even. I think it's even. Lom law Ayla Fork. I really like Loyal or Smahlam, you could even say there. It's Smahlam lá éile páirc. So there's my little phrase, my paragraph about a completely made up Patrick's Day. But I used some of the words from the story, like this sentence, it was Patrick's Day. I took the phrase that I put shamrock on my dress. He put it on his coat, I know. I used, what else did I kind of wrote everything else on myself, but I put ribbon in my hair. I went to the church. I saw Chonaic May Macharja at Mass. We sang songs at Mass. Then I went home and I ate my breakfast. After a while, I went with my family to the parade in Trim. We had a lovely time. I saw lorries, a clown, and people dancing. I like Patrick's Day. Just something like that. So you can mention that it is Patrick's Day. You can mention something about weather. How are you dressed? You can come up with a couple of sentences about how you're dressed. What did you do? Are you going to Mass? Are you visiting a friend's house? Are you are you going to a friend's house? Are you staying at home and watching the parade on TV? Are you going to Crow Park to watch a match? You can make up what you do on this pretend St. Patrick's Day, and you're writing it all in the past. Try it out, okay? It's if you get 3 sentences done, brilliant. I'd love to see 5 or 6. Where you can try and write them out in English first to kind of get an idea of the structure of what you want to say. It's not always the best to kind of completely translate, but you can write it out in English first and then see if there's any sentences from the story that can help you, or you certainly will find verbs. Oh, I didn't mean to, no, cancel that. You will certainly find verbs to help you here. Okay, absolutely. Okay, because the verbs here, like to get, like I got an ice cream maybe, or I got chocolate in the shop. I got sweets at the parade. What did you see? Where did you go? What did you do? Rinne me, hatta nua lahayan fraud. I wore a new hat. Or where were you? Vime egan barod. Vime egan afran. Dúirt me. What did you say? So these verbs are so handy. What did you hear? Hula me aron allin, or dini egg shint kjol. People playing music. What did you eat? So those verbs there will really help you. And then the verb cur is always useful. Like, what did you put? Cur may something there, and v, and yeah. So look, try it out. I think I'm over explaining it at this point, and see how you get on.